Hello, let me show you unboxing of iPhone 16. This one actually comes from European distribution. I will show you the best features that you can find on this phone, accessories and design overview. So first of all, we got information that there is no charger inside. Take a look. And also information about the recommended charger. Okay, so that's how it looks when we're gonna take it off. We got two cameras right here. There's also the microphone, which is located right here, and we've got the flashlight. This is the matte glass at the back. On the right side we can find, that's probably the power button, and this is this new action button for camera. We are gonna test this. On the left side there's this switcher to quickly silence iPhone, and on the left side there's also the volume up button, volume down button, and here we can find a SIM tray, so we can actually check what is inside. Okay, so let's go inside and let's check what we can find here. If there's dual SIM slot or memory card, there's the single SIM. Yeah, we can only input here a single SIM and the nano size. Now let's get rid of it. There we go. And right here we've got this dynamic island, the selfie camera. It's just right here. The phone actually comes without any protection. There's no screen protector right here. At the top there's nothing, no AR blaster for example. At the bottom we've got the new USB-C port, speakers, but there's no headphone jack. So now let's try to turn it on and let's see. And now let's go into box accessories, and as you can see what we can find here, it looks like the new cable, completely new cable. As you can see, it actually comes with a double USB-C cable. There's the SIM tray, and in this place we can find some user manual, probably warranty, I believe. Let's find out. Yeah, but there's no stickers. They probably removed it a few years ago.